Ringo Vision.
Ringo Vision, yeah. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo Vision. Cause when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how the thing go. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how the thing go. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how the thing go. Oh gosh. Say when you're
Yes, people, big up on yourself. Look what I go on. Yeah, man, a fully active vibration I go on. Outside, good vibes. Oi, people, lift up the camera high in the air and point it down. Yeah? Cause look, I'm out here, people. Yeah, good vibes. Look, I'm not even getting up out my chair today, people. Yeah, come in and have a look at the pot. Right now, yeah, I just peel up some yellow yam and dash in and that. You see it? Quick and fast. So look, today yeah, I'm dealing with the ital thing, people. Yeah, so we got the pumpkin on deck. We got the, you see this yam here? This yam here is the soft yam. You hear me say? The one I name the soft yam, people, yeah? And look and see what I go on. Look in my bowl quickly. Yeah? Cause we got okra, we got some carrot, scotch bonnet pepper, spinach, red onion, and we got some garlic around here, so people, cause you don't know inside the kitchen, these people. Lock off the camera now, people, yeah? Peeling up the pumpkin. You see the pumpkin here? We're not gonna, because the skin's got a lot of nutrients in it, yeah, so we're just gonna make sure so we wash this one here good enough, people, yeah. Alright, so you see that? Quick and fast. Easy, we just put it in our bowl just there. So you see our pumpkin now? Yeah, we just take out all the belly of the pumpkin. Just like that, everybody. Yeah, man, a 24-hour kitchen, you know, you're locked in, everybody, yeah. So today is a ital vibes. We just yes up on the outside, you understand? Yeah, man, we're up on the outside today, people, yeah, good vibes. Get all of this, get all of this. Cut it, Mars, cut it. Cut it, yeah, cut it. Carrots now, look. Right now, you see what I go on right now? I just season, man, I season up the pot in the people, yeah? So right now, the yellow yam gone in, because you see the yellow yam? The yellow yam is one of them ingredients there that's very hard to mash out. So, you see what I go on right now, people, yeah? We put the yellow yam in from first. Normally you see me put in the pumpkin, but this one's a very different type of a stew we're dealing with, people, in a different type of way. So, go and watch the flex, people. You don't know, say we're outside and are good vibes. Yeah, let me say, good vibes. Guess what we're putting in? Scotch bonnet. Inside. See that? Alright. See them yam here, Mars? Them yam here called soft yam. Big up yourself, people who's locked in on the 24-hour kitchen. Look and see what I go on. It's not a joke to yeah, man, pot a bubble. Me say, pot a bubble. Go on. This yam is very easy to break away in the pot. So I deal with it from a different vibe, people, yeah? So a good vibe. Alright people, so look what I go on now. So we're recording here. Alright, look at pumpkin inside. See that? Pumpkin inside. You see that? See them soft yam there? Inside. Yes, everybody, so you know what I'm going right now. So we're just fixing up the spinach, the yam and the ingredients and the ground provision them. We just go and boiling up. So this is the next stage, people, yeah, just the preparation, yeah, for the niceness. You understand? This one's an organic pot, people, yeah. Big up yourself. You don't know what I'm going. The spinach. Remember Popeye? Never left out the spinach, you know. A lie, Mars? And a lie. Alright, a good vibes. I can cut that. I'm just...
Man on the tram side.
Everybody, you see our chefins. Look at the spinach, man, with the okra and the red onion, the scotch bonnet pepper, the garlic. Yeah, man, a good vibes, everybody. Look right here, so now we have the... Oh, so we have the yellow yam, we got the soft yam, we got the pumpkin, we got carrot, we got garlic, we got red onion boiling up in there as well, because you don't know, so yeah, our flavors said way, people, yeah, a good vibes. So yeah, man, thank you very much for staying tuned with this episode. A good vibes. Now we're gonna what? Feed up.